moments like this when I think of all the history of what it took to get here. One of the most interesting things about especially YouTube, which is a two-way communication, seeing all those old comments of it'll never run, it'll never be finished, it'll never make power reliably. All the different things I've seen over the years. Oh, he rebuilt the engine's gonna blow apart, it's not even gonna idle. It's just so fascinating to see all those comments just melt away. And the most important part is because we've proven it. It's not that, oh, people believe in me more, it's because I've had to show them there's something to believe in. Just getting here is the accomplishment itself. But stopping for a second, right now we've got a couple minutes before the show opens, and realizing that this is an amazing milestone I'm gonna look back on in the future is quite something.
It's 11 a.m. Monday before SEMA, and we have a special guest here.
Erica is an expert on taste and things that I don't possess skill-wise, and so I'm curious to see what she thinks of all of our hard work.
Cover your eyes, I have a surprise for you.
Wow. It's not even the same, it's not even close to the same car. It looks like done. It's like finally finished.
Yeah.
How is that possible?
That's why we're here all the time.
Oh my god. You guys must be so proud.
We are way behind. We're gonna go ahead and fire up for the first time, and I think you can tell the honesty in my face. This is genuinely the first time. Hopefully it works. There are so many things going on that I can't even process it. My emotions are like white noise, just static. The color looks beautiful in the sun. It's gonna look beautiful in all the lights, interior lights. It's exactly what I dreamed of. Took a big chance on that. But the sound, we just fired it up, as you saw.
Oh, they got masks on today. Hey, hell yeah!
We made it, and oh my god, we're already getting people bombarding us, which is awesome. We get to drive the car through the hall. I was originally gonna go park the C8 back at the hotel, go get our passes, but the opportunity to fire this up and drive it through the hall with everybody else, allowing us to make noise, I can't turn that down.
Beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Executed well. That
Like you know what you're doing.
all I did was press the brake. They did all the hard work.
Fucking wide. I almost got flamed. Look at a lot of arm hairs that I don't have that many hairs there. The front is, I didn't get your wide.
That's intoxicating. And we made it in. We made a little bit of a scene, which is what I enjoy doing. The downside to SEMA is you cannot fire the car up during the week. It is complete. We got everything on there. It fires up and is more angry than it ever has been. It can make more power eventually. This is a beautiful moment. I'm so excited for him to hear it. I'm so excited for the world to see it tomorrow. We haven't even cleaned her off because we did an open trailer, right? And it's...
That's a street car right off the trailer?
Yeah.
Just drove in?
Yeah. can't believe that cover actually works. It's perfect. We lucked out a little bit that I'm finally punctual. It's 8:40 in the morning on the first day of SEMA. And while we were just here unloading hours ago, we actually get the opportunity to get in and do the proper intro for the video. So we are over here. It's kind of nice because we're like early in the central hall, like the very front of the central hall. I don't know what the crowd's gonna be like, but we'll see.
So what's going on?
Good morning.
How are we?
A cool little bonus is that I absolutely love Garrett. We're a part of their like scavenger hunt there. Most companies, I don't have any brands on this, but specifically, you know, Garrett, Valvoline are things that have been so instrumental in me getting to this point. So we're unveiling the car in 5 minutes. Yeah. It is 4 minutes off. You can see my heart rate's rising. And I've been standing still, so you know I'm excited. I knew the downside to unveiling it early is that people don't even know where the booth is. We got here early and got in early. The lines are backed up now, but we got in because we were media. So I feel bad for the people that like want to be here. It's just a cool moment for everybody just to have like a milestone. I don't get nervous often, but like I want people to like what we do.
If I was a crier, I'd be crying right now.
I don't cry. I punch walls.
I just see
Take out.
just gonna be gone.
You just standing. I'm so excited right now. The very first thing I'm gonna do, it's exactly 10 right now, upload this.
Where's the 4-order?
Here's the moment we get to show. We actually have a crowd. I didn't expect a crowd to see this, so thanks to them. Thanks to them, this is all possible. So here we go. This color is actually the color of the car originally years ago. So the door jambs and everything are still original color, and we actually have the exhaust coming out of a rotor shape. We had that all custom done to make it something really cool, but shoots flames right through there, so we have to be careful not melting our brand new body. But this has been an absolute obsession. I'm almost speechless. I'm almost gonna have a hard time with this. There you go. That's the car. Such a cool moment to see what it's taken a group of average guys, what it actually takes for us to build a car that looks like $1 million car. Well, I mean, you've seen the entire journey every step of the way.